Many people say we originated from Israel. We are Jews. And this thing has been up for debate. So many people have been debating it. But me, I want to believe, because the forefathers of Igbo people, that's Eri, the man that's the first Igbo man on earth. He was one of the sons of Gad. And Gad was the seventh son of Jacob. If you go to Genesis chapter 4.
Black fingers upon the beat.
Hello people, it's your favorite baby girl, Chidera Giselle on the microphone, vlogging live from Onitsha. And you guys, this is the most popular YouTuber in Onitsha, the Sylvia Onu. Guys, I'm so excited.
Hi guys, welcome to Dera's channel. I am the Sylvia Onu, a Nigerian YouTuber living in Onitsha.
Welcome.
So please, this is a collaboration. You can come and check your girl out in my channel. She did a wonderful job in my channel.
Check me out.
Just come and check her out, okay? Thank you so much, and thank you for having me here.
Yeah. So guys, today we're going to be talking about Igbo facts you didn't know about or you did not understand. Maybe you have been hearing those facts and you don't understand them. We're going to be talking about them. I'll mention the points, you mention the points, we'll discuss it. This is going to be fun. So I want you guys to stay glued, stay tuned, and watch this video from the beginning to the end. So, Auntie Sylvia, do you know any facts about Igbos?
Yes, dear.
Okay, tell us.
The number one fact about Igbos is Igbos are industrious. Yeah, when they tell you that Igbos are industrious, it's not just a joke. We are not just talking about going to work. If you don't see an Igbo man working in an office, that man is busy in his shop.
Yes.
When they say Nahanaga shop, Nahanaga main market,
international main market.
Even in your cities, the cities across Nigeria, if you go to their market, if you don't see an Igbo man there, run away
from that market.
Not only Nigeria, all over the world. Igbo men are hustling. Igbo women are hustling.
Hustlers.
They are industrious. Everybody is trying to make ends meet. They work hard. Enugo, let me keep it there. You want to go? So,
okay, guys. Another fact we all know is that Igbos are travelers.
Yes.
Igbos they waka. Igbos they waka. As me human beings, I'm sure there's an Igbo man in Antarctica.
Yes,
I'm sure there's an Igbo man in Antarctica that nobody is living. That's an Igbo man. Sometimes I'll be like, why are my people like this? Why are they always traveling? They take risks. They travel to anywhere, even places that they say nobody should go there.
Yeah.
You see an Igbo man there. So that's another fact about Igbos.
Have you ever heard about that adage that Obu no webe obu na naga, Obu no ni Igbo ano heba? Pick race. If you don't see an Igbo man, if you go to anywhere and you don't see an Igbo man, you better run. Another point is that Igbos are believed to love money.
Should we talk about that one? Me, I don't want to agree because everybody love money. If you ask me, nobody may no love money. Oh.
You don't want to agree? I agree.
Okay, we love money. Send all the money in your account to me.
Love money? Sweetheart, I'm even telling you that I love the fact that you said that we love money.
We love money.
Yes, we love money. I need that money. As you are saying it, can it be reflecting in our account? Because that one is the most important
if you don't love money,
we love money.
My bank is UBA. Just send me a DM on Instagram. I'll send you my account number. Keep sending all the money
that they have because they don't love it and you love it as an Igbo girl. Okay, let me tell you something. We love money. Igbos love money, and I myself, I love money. Okay, that is why I'm working hard to earn that money. Yeah, I'm not going to say that I don't like it when you say that Igbos love money. I love it when you say that Igbos love money. What I don't like is when you say that Igbos are going to do so many things, unthinkable things because of money. That is
people
the only one that I hate.
People from different places don't think about things now. Everybody does.
So you can't come and be claiming that
it's not
Igbo
only
people.
Igbos that do unthinkable things.
If you say that I love
races and tribes do it.
I do. Because who not like better thing.
So another fact about Igbos is that we have a claimed Israeli origin. Like many people say we originated from Israel. We are Jews. And this thing has been up for debate. So many people have been debating it. But me, I want to believe because the forefathers of Igbo people, that's Eri, the man that's the first Igbo man on earth. He was one of the sons of Gad. And Gad was the seventh son of Jacob. If you go to Genesis chapter 46, verse 15 to 18, I don't like the way I'm sounding like a pastor now. But if you go to the book of Genesis, you see where they mentioned God, and he has 5 sons, and Eri is one of them. And Eri was said to have migrated from wherever he came from to Igbo land, to settle down in Igbo land, and he was the first person. He settled down in Nri. The what's the name? Isi Igbo. That's where all Igbo people originated from, Anambra State. So Eri was the first Igbo man, but some people do not believe that we originated from Israel or we are Jews. So I need you guys to leave it in the comment section what you think. Do you think that fact about Eri coming from Israel to come and settle in Igbo land is true? And Sylvia, what do you think?
My dear, I think it's true.
Yes.
Because after, you're the one that told me that, I'm not going to lie. She told me, and I had to do my research, and I found out that she was saying the truth. So you have to do your research too, and drop your opinion in the comment section, because I would love to hear from you, okay? So just let's leave the comment section open for the debate.
Yes.
Thank you. So guys, the next fact is that Igbos strongly believe in God.
Yes.
And we do. Even before Christianity came into Nigeria, Igbos believe in God. That is why they gave everybody a name. They believe that everyone has a chi.
Yes.
And chi means God.
My chi.
Yes.
Her chi.
I have my own chi. She has her own. And if you check Igbo names, most of them start with chi. I, for one, I'm Chidimma, and she's Chidera. And in my family, both nuclear and extended, chi, everyone has a name linked to their chi.
Yes.
Everyone, even if your name starts with Chidimma or ends with chi, is linked to that your chi that they are referring to. So Igbos believed in God ever before Christianity came into Nigeria.
Another fact about Igbo people is that we have strong value of extended family. Anybody that's why you always see Igbos traveling during Christmas or Easter or whenever, because they want to travel back home and meet their extended family members, their cousins and all of that. Like this Onitsha that I came to, I've not seen my cousins for 5 years, and it was just doing me somehow in my body that I've not seen my family. Something. Yes, I'm missing something. Like the way I hold my cousins is in Igbo land, that you see an Igbo that prefers some of her cousins to her sister.
Yes. There
are some Igbos that are, because your cousins are your siblings. My cousins in Onitsha now, they are my siblings. As I came here, I did not even feel as if I left home. I'm at home. Anywhere I go, that these my cousins are, they're like my siblings. It's because we value extended family a lot. They'll be asking whether there's money in the village that we're always traveling for. But it's not that money. It's to go and stay with our family members and interact with them and spend time with them. That's why I said that my favorite childhood memory is going to the village, because that is where I meet all my family members. Yes. So the value of extended family members is just there.
Igbos are predominantly Christians. Yes. 90% of the Igbos are Christians. We have pagans, yes, we do. Some people do believe in their God.
I don't even know any Igbo pagan, if you ask me.
Don't?
I know that they are, but because they are few, I don't know anyone. I don't know any Igbo Muslim personally.
No.
I've heard of them before, but I've not seen anyone personally. All the Igbos I've interacted with personally, they are Christians.
They are Christians, yeah.
I've not seen any.
So let's say 90% of Igbos are just Christians, and we worship. If you come down to the east on Sundays, you won't even believe.
No road.
Yes, now, because everyone is going to church.
Yes.
That time that is just meant for mass, you will see everyone going to the church. It's not that we don't have mosque, or we do for the Muslims, because we have Muslims that live in the east too, but they are not Igbos. So we still have their mosques for them to worship.
Pray. So another fact is that Igbos lack centralized leadership. Like we don't have any king that you say, okay, this is the king of Igbo land, or this is the king of Anambra State. No, every village, if you have 100 villages, all those 100 villages have their different kings, and they are not subordinates under anybody. They just go for meetings, but they are kings in their own right, because we are not used to like being obedient, being under one person. No, we like that's why you always see most Igbo communities so autonomous community, Itenasa autonomous community, Amaru autonomous community. That's how it is, because all of them are autonomous.
Even my own village, we don't even have a king. Yeah, I'm being honest because I can't come here and lie. We don't have a king. Yes, we don't. We only have a president general. We don't have a king. And the last fact is that Igbos have peculiar calendar system. Yes. We don't have normal weekdays, just like we have Monday, Tuesday. So you have from Sunday to Saturday. In Igbo, we have our market days, and we regard that market days as our normal days, which is Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. And every town has their own market. I did a village vlog where I went to my market square. Our own market is Eke One.
Okay, our own is Ekotutu. We call it Ekotutu.
Yes. I know Ekotutu. Yes. The time I went to Hitena and said that they were doing this masquerade this thing on 1st January. Yeah, they told me.
Yes. So we have Ekotutu. It's Eke days. Some people their market days Nkwo. Some people their market days are for. And on those market days, most times it's not advisable to go to the stream. No. Because if anything is happening, nobody will save you because everybody is at the market. Yeah. Yes. And then every Igbo child has a particular day they give birth to them. Like me, I was giving birth on Ori. That's Amubori.
I'm going to say I'm ashamed here because I don't know my own market day. But what I know is my maiden name before I got married, my surname was Okafo, meaning that my great-grandfather was born on Afo Day, which is the reason why they gave him that Okafo.
And if it's a lady, to be Umbafo. That's the origin of Umbeke. That Umbeke people used to say, and you call a girl local girl Umbeke. No, Umbeke does not mean local girl. Umbeke means a girl that was born on Eke market day. Yeah. You get, so that's what it means. That's our calendar system.
They have
Mbafo. Yeah. And they have Okonkwo, Okori, Okafo, and Okeke. Yes.
They still have Nwankwo.
Yes.
Nwori, Nwafo, and Nwankwo, Nwori, Nwafo, and Nwankwo, abi? Nwankwo, Nwori, Nwafo, Nweke. Yes, Nweke. Why did we miss it?
So that's it. Like in Igbo calendar system, our month is made up of 7 weeks, not 4 weeks, and we have 13 months in a year. But you guys know civilization, everything don't scatter. But that is the main thing about Igbo people. Yes. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I've mentioned the facts we know. If you know any facts you didn't mention, please mention it in the comment section.
Drop it there.
So guys, if you are here and you are not Igbo, please, you don't have to be offended by this video. Every tribe has a peculiar thing that everybody knows them for. Every tribe has a good thing attributed to them, no matter how bad people think of their tribe. So this is just us being very proud of our culture and expressing our culture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I'm sure they did.
Yeah. Please guys, don't forget to go watch my own video, our video on her channel. Yeah, it's a collaboration. So please head on to @Sylvia Onu to watch our own video on her channel. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. For now, we both say bye.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Dera's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube and tell your friends to subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube.